Thank you, Jesus. Really? Okay. Interesting. Doing just this with a bobby pin? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something fun. So I saw a video like this a while ago from a natural hair YouTuber, and she was recreating a popular white YouTuber's hairstyles. Like, that video was so funny. I want to put my own twist on this. So I found a video on YouTube. The video is called 10 straight hair heatless hairstyles, simple and easy, from a girl called Liz Ryan. I will leave this video in the link down below so you can check that video out. But yeah, I will recreate her video. Okay, so her hair is... That's a damn ice cream truck, okay? The ice cream truck always scares me here, like, because it's like a church on wheels. Like, I don't know, the sound is not appealing at all, okay? I kind of want an ice cream. My hair currently is, I just put 2 braids in my hair for a week, and now I'm rocking this, like, braid out, but I'm just putting my hair in a bun. Okay, so she has a middle part. And wait, she's using rubber bands? Crap. Okay, she's using rubber bands to hold her ponytails. You know, I'm gonna do the same, okay? Because this is a tutorial that I'm gonna recreate, so... rubber bands it is. She has this section here on the front, so... Okay... Oh, rubber bands... Ah, it's going to snap! Ah! Ah, no, it didn't. Okay, so this is the hairstyle, right? Itty bitty piggies. Okay, you know what I look like? I know what I look like. Oh, this is good. I look like a walrus, okay? I can't even see. This is just going like this, and I have to do like curtains like this. I look like a mammoth. I look definitely like a mammoth. Okay, so this is not... This is not it. Next. Okay, so she's starting again with a middle part. Oh, hell no. What is she doing? I need to see this again. She just did... and she has a ponytail, right? She is lucky because I'm not able to do... ponytail. No, this doesn't work for this hair, okay, like that. Ponytail. Oh my god. I wish we could do this like that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, No, we can't do this. But I'm gonna try her technique. Okay, so she's leaving like a section here, and she's starting here, and she's doing tack. Oh, hell no. What is this? Girl, is she just doing in a ponytail? You know, I'm dangling my hair right now because she's just doing in a ponytail. Rubber band, sorry, but I'm going to skip rubber band now because I can do this. Oh my god, I can't even see, man. Yeah, and then she is... Oh, that's it. But I look like... You know, the princess or the girl, I don't know if she's a princess, like the girl from Hercules. I look like her. This ain't working. The thing is, in the beginning of the video, she said something like, yeah, but this hairstyle works on every type of hair, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Next. Oh, the same hairstyle. Okay, great. She's just doing a bun? Okay. Nice. Innovative, fun. I feel like a dwarf right now, like, I don't know. Like, let me wrap this around. Really? No. It's a no for me. Anyways, next one. Okay, so she's just taking a section. Okay, this bobby pin won't hold my section, okay, but I need hair clips, I need hair ties, I need elastic bands, I need like security. Doing just this with a bobby pin? This is not even an option. This won't work with natural hair. Okay, so she is combing her hair and I'm not going to comb my hair because you know that's a no. So it looks like she's doing a sleek ponytail. Oh yeah, she is doing a sleek ponytail. I can do that. Girl, watch me. Okay, you want a sleek ponytail? I'm gonna do a sleek ponytail, okay? Okay. Wait, watch me. This will probably be the only hairstyle that will work on my hair in this whole damn video, okay? But done. What'd you think about that, okay? I'm used to this, okay? This is my jam. I'm used to stuff like this, okay? I do this on a daily basis. I hope the next one will be as easy as this one, okay? Oh, she's doing braids. Now we talking hairstyles for every hair type, okay, girl? Let's do a cornrow. Okay, that's it. No, she's stopping like out here. I'm curious to see what she will do with the braids because... Okay. Interesting. Okay, she just did the braids. Oh, that was it. I get the vision. You know, if you modify it a little bit and put some like golden beads in it, it could be cool, yeah. Okay, let's do the next one. I'm excited. Oh, she's just making 2 braids with this braid. You can just do like 2 cornrows. A cornrow, a braid, and then braid again? I don't know. And what is this? So I have to constantly do this or what? So what if I want to pull my hair in the front, then I have a beard. So if I see my crush over there and I look at him and I do like this, hey, no. Okay, next hairstyle. She is using the same braids, so thank you, Jesus, because I'm not like in the mood to take all of this down. She's apparently taking her braids, tying the braids in the back. Yeah, this is something that we all do, you know? I wouldn't do like cornrows with this hairstyle, like just 2 loose braids in the front and then tie it together in the back, but yeah. But this is cute. I like this. You know, it's been a while since I've done this hairstyle. I might rock this today like this, if I don't have to put the braids down at least. Oh, now she's doing the next hairstyle? Okay. Next hairstyle is just doing a ponytail. What do you guys think? I don't know. It's just like too much work. It is cute. Yeah, it is actually kind of cute. Cool. Next one. No, I wanted to rock my braids. Why? Okay, let's do this. Straight hair, this is okay. You can just untie this and just remove your braids in 3 seconds. But I can't do this. She's doing another cornrow? Really? I literally just did all of that and now she's just doing another cornrow, but on the sides. If it's the exact same hairstyle but on the side, I'm not doing it. Just saying, okay? And she's stopping again in the middle of her head and then she's doing a regular braid. Really, that's the hairstyle? Yeah, I don't know. Next. If it's another damn cornrow. Oh, that was it? Okay, that was it. Couldn't you do this hairstyle another day? Because I wanted to rock my cornrows, okay? The ones that I did earlier, the ones that I liked. In the beginning of the video, she said like this hair, all these hairstyles, I think they fit on every hair type, blah, 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 but it doesn't. Some of them do, and it looks cute in their own way, okay? So if you want to experiment with some hairstyles, I'll definitely say just look at, like, if you have natural hair, just look at natural hairstyles, okay? Because this struggle is not worth it. The ones that I'm having now, like unraveling these braids and having tangles and stuff. Now I have more tangles than before, and now my braid out is like, let's put this hair back in a bun. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Ooh, so much better. So hot in here. Comment down below which one was your favorite hairstyle. Let me know in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and if you like my videos, just subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye.